Well, they certainly haven't stopped dancing, have they? They being the members of this team called Body Talk from Birmingham, trained by Simon Pearson. Just for the record, you're now looking at the current disco champions for, wait for it, the Costa del Sol. Well, let's see how they fare here in the Costa del Cheltenham.
She's